Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable the DHCP server on your TECNO router. So if you want to change the DHCP, like enable or disable it, what you wanna do is just go to the admin page. By default, you can access it with the 192.168.0.1 page. There we go. So we enter it. If you're logged out, you can log in with the password and username admin lowercase. And once you've done that, go to the home page, select the settings button next to advanced, this one right here. Then go to the DHCP tab, and here we have DHCP server. So you can enable or disable it, and just select the option that you want. And once you've done that, press apply to apply your settings, and you may need to restart your router after that. It will tell you to do so. But once you've done that, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.